COVID-19 pandemic, an incident which has shaken the world. It has different scenarios in different countries and different consequences. In India, the lockdown has caused its own consequences and waves that has to follow. The general health scenario in our country and also the COVID health is drastically affected during intra-community spread because there is no practical social distancing or isolation facility. In these conditions, we also see incidences like the doctors and the healthcare professionals getting beaten up in panic by COVID patient when they went for testing in places like Moradabad. In a state like Maharashtra, which is bigger than countries like Germany, we have slums like Dharavi, and it has 200,000 people residing there. We already have 500 plus COVID positive cases, and with practically no isolation in such areas, imagine the spread of this infection going wide, long and affecting the entire community at a very fast speed.
जितनी भी दिक्कतें आ रही हैं, पेशेंट हम तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हैं, हम चाहकर भी उन तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हैं, तो ये जो बेसिक लेवल की दिक्कत है, ये दो चीज़ों की वजह से है। पहली चीज़ ये है कि जो ज़रूरत की चीज़ें होती हैं एज ए प्रोटेक्टिव गियर, कि हम अगर पेशेंट को देखें, चाहे वो पीपी किट हो, चाहे वो थर्मोमीटर्स हों या जो भी प्रोटेक्टिव केयर्स होते हैं, उसकी दिक्कतें हमें महसूस हो रही हैं, और जिसकी वजह से ये होता है कि हम ना तो खुलकर देख पाते हैं, और दूसरी वजह से पेशेंट भी अगर हम तक आता है तो उसे ये परेशानी होती है कि वो ये सोचते हैं कि हमसे उनको कोरोना ना हो जाए। तो पहला तो ये दिक्कत है। दूसरी चीज़ें ये हैं कि इसी वजह से पेशेंट की छोटी छोटी समस्या भी बड़ी हो जाती है, क्योंकि वो हमसे नहीं संपर्क में आ पाते हैं।
In response to the urgency of COVID-19 pandemic, the COVID-19 Pandemic Wellbeing Task Force has formed a suite of products for an ingenious, contactless, and regionalized healthcare system during and post-pandemic to facilitate and complement the lack of essential healthcare services. We are creating a digital task force of the grassroots level frontline healthcare workers and enable them to deliver essential healthcare services in a low-contact or contactless manner and train them for self-protection with a live map and a 24/7 helpline information system for healthcare professionals to report the PPE stockout.
সামাজিক দূরত্ব কি করে বজায় রাখতে হয় তার জন্য 2 নাম্বার ডায়াল করুন।
श्वसन स्वच्छतेबाबत जाणून घेण्यासाठी 5 दाबा.
Arogya's application, website, and interactive voice response system in 13 languages are decentralized healthcare solution for frontline healthcare workers. It consists of primary symptom tracker, assessment, and screening solution for various diseases, with doctors-backed teleconsultation for final reporting. We are a women health and common cancer detection organization using a data modeling, behavior science, medical anthropology, and artificial intelligence tools to detect the disease early and prevent it from progressing, ultimately leading to cure. We have been working in 6 states in India since 2017. We have trained 24 master trainers, Arogya Research and Public Health Fellows, 400 plus frontline healthcare workers, ANM, auxiliary nursing midwives, screen 51,000 women. We are complementary to rebuilding nation's new healthcare to enable and upskill a digital task force of frontline healthcare workers to complement the overburdened healthcare infrastructure.
COVID-19 Task Force is using powerful telehealth education and mental health services digitally to deliver counseling, mental counseling, health education, and answers to any questions related to COVID-19.
To help us and donate in Indian currency, go to arogya.org donate us. And to donate in US dollars, go to COVID-19 Wellbeing Task Force.org/donate.
I, Dr. Priyanjali Datta, CEO of Arogya Foundation, appeal to you to join hands with us to reach each and every healthcare worker in India and create the new healthcare system in an ingenious, contactless and regionalized manner for safer healthcare services. Thank you.